everybody. Today we're going to be making some Basil Walnut Pesto Pasta. We don't have any time to waste, except for a few seconds for these gratuitous shots of the finished product. So let's get started. We're going to heat a pan over medium heat. And to this we're going to add half a cup of walnuts. We're going to toast these for just a couple minutes, and then we're going to remove them from the heat and let them cool. We're going to add 2 cups of fresh basil to our food processor. We're also going to add 2 tablespoons of chopped or minced garlic, half a cup of shaved Parmesan cheese, and our half cup of toasted walnuts. We're going to give this a few quick chops in the food processor. Then we need to scrape the sides down before firing up the food processor again and slowly adding 1/2 cup of olive oil. Give the sides another scrape and then run the food processor until you have a creamy consistency. At this point, give it a taste and add salt and pepper as needed. A few seconds more in the food processor and the pesto should be ready. Cook up a bowl of your favorite pasta. Add a generous amount of the basil walnut pesto. And then give it a good mix. And I mean a good mix. You want everybody covered in deliciousness. I like to add some chopped sun-dried tomatoes on the top of mine. You can top yours with whatever you like. Just, please, no sardines. And here's the bowl of our wonderful basil walnut pesto pasta. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again soon.